Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with Melio Payments. Review my usage experience. Melio Payments Review My Usage Experience offers a streamlined way for businesses to manage their bill payments and receive payments from clients. It's primarily aimed at small and medium-sized businesses seeking a simpler, more efficient payment system. Key features include scheduling payments, tracking invoices, and integrating with various accounting software. Their website provides details on supported integrations and pricing plans. Melio's positioning is centered around ease of use and cost-effectiveness. They highlight no hidden fees and a straightforward pricing structure. Their website emphasizes a user-friendly interface and a system designed to save businesses time and money on payment processing. Availability is broad, covering most U.S. businesses, and details on specific eligibility can be found on their website. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using Melio Payments. Getting started was a breeze. The sign-up process was quick, and the onboarding tutorial was clear and concise. Navigating the interface was intuitive. I especially appreciated the clean dashboard that gave me a clear overview of my upcoming and past payments. I scheduled several payments to vendors, and the whole process was smooth and efficient. Payments were processed promptly, and I received confirmation emails for each transaction. I had a quick question about integrating Melio with my accounting software, and their support responded within a day via email, providing a helpful solution. One minor drawback was the slightly limited reporting features compared to some competitors. I was really impressed by how intuitive the dashboard was, and the standout feature for me was definitely the ability to schedule payments in advance. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with Melio. It significantly simplified my payment management, saving me both time and money. That's my overview of Melio Payments. Review my usage experience. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tech for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.